Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you Tab's Chocolate Intimacy Enhancer review. So you might be wondering, what is the Intimacy Enhancer Tab's Chocolate that you may be hearing online? So Tab Intimacy Chocolates here is a dietary supplement in chocolate form that is marketed to help support arousal, libido, mood, sensitivity, and intimacy for adults. Now, according to the official website here, it is available in dark, pink, cherry, and nut milk flavors and contains ingredients such as cocoa, horny goat weed, macaroon, canna, and green tea caffeine. The manufacturer here states that the product contains no prescription drugs or synthetic pharmaceuticals and is made in an FDA registered facility in the United States. Now, according to them, the combination of cocoa and botanical ingredients is intended to promote blood flow, libido, mood, and relaxation, with effects that may be felt in about 30 minutes. The company states that the product is designed to enhance intimacy rather than function as a prescription medication. Now, to use the chocolate here, the manufacturer recommends sharing one chocolate with your partner, so each person consumes half of the chocolate approximately 30 minutes before intimacy. Now, chocolate isn't like a normal chocolate bar and does not require water or mixing. The official website lists one box containing 6 servings starting at $29.99, with discounts available for purchasing multiple boxes or through subscription plans. Pricing and promotions may change over time here, so you may need to check their website. And that's essentially how the Tabs Intimacy Chocolates work. So it combines dark chocolate with herbal ingredients that are intended to support mood and libido. Now, if you're interested with this product here, and since this is a health-related supplement, consulting a doctor or qualified healthcare professional before use is highly recommended. Or even doing your own research here and viewing or reading reviews outside their website is always highly recommended here, just to make sure that you're getting the most out of your money. And also, again, if you are cautious about this one, or if you're already taking certain medications here, that's why consulting a doctor is highly recommended. And that's about it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.